This image shows a typical pipe flange marking. Each marking gives important information about the flange specification. Let's break it down clearly. First, manufacturer, Fluido. This tells us who produced the flange. It is important for traceability, quality control, and inspection documentation. Next, NPS size, 1.5. NPS means nominal pipe size. This flange is designed for a 1.5-inch pipe. Remember, NPS does not represent the exact inside diameter. Now, face type SO. SO stands for slip-on flange. The pipe slips inside the flange and is welded from both inside and outside. It is commonly used in low to medium pressure applications. Other common types include WN for weld neck, BL for blind flange, and TH for threaded flange. Next, pressure rating 150 pounds. This indicates the pressure class, class 150. The actual pressure capacity depends on temperature and material. This rating follows ASME B16.5 standard. Now, material SS316L. This means stainless steel 316L. The L stands for low carbon. It offers good corrosion resistance. It is widely used in chemical plants, marine environments, and food and pharma industries. Finally, heat number N2934. This is a unique batch number from the steel manufacturer. It helps in material test certificate traceability, quality audits, and project documentation. So why are flange markings important? They ensure correct installation, they prevent wrong material usage, they maintain safety in high pressure systems, and they support inspection and QA/QC processes. Understanding flange markings means safer and more reliable piping systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more piping knowledge. See you in the next video.